Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use natural language on Todoist. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to app.todoist.com/login. Over here, log in with your email and password or use the options to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. After that, go to the task field and type your task in plain language. For example, type email Susan about the project tomorrow and Todoist will set the task accordingly. Then, to add deadlines, use phrases like today, tomorrow, next Monday, or specific dates like June 15th at 9 am over here. Todoist will interpret and set the task with the right date and time. After that, to make tasks repeat, type phrases like every Monday or every other week, and Todoist will automatically set them as recurring. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.